Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. Now this one we're going to be customizing the Wooting 60HE keyboard. So what I went ahead is I purchased this Tofu 60 Redux case from KDB Fans. I purchased the Anodised Dark Purple one. I also added the brass weight and I added the switches. So yeah, it's kind of handy that it's for this keyboard only, which is strange, but it is what it is. I guess this keyboard is just super popular. And yeah, so I want to try them out instead of these, just kind of see what the difference is. But these lacquer switches that it comes with is pretty good. And then going with the kind of purple theme, I also bought this Tut Lofi cherry profile thing from KDB Fans as well. And it looks kind of cool. So yeah, all this shite arrived. And a pro tip is, if you are buying this in Europe, don't buy from KDB Fans. I made that mistake and I paid €80 for the fucking import tax and all that fucking scams that the government tries to pull on you. But anyway, apart from that, what we'll be doing the tape mod as well, because why the fuck not? So I went ahead and I pulled out all the keycaps, just so you don't need to see me fucking taking all these keycaps off. I left the switches in because I'll try, swap them out for a few, see if they work, and then if they do, then that's great. Alright, so after you take out your keycaps, what you want to do is you want to remove the screws here. So there's another one here, another one here, another one here, and another one here. So yeah, just remove all those. Already did that. They look like these. They're like these small, nice white screws. And then you should just be able to kind of flip the keyboard over and the PCB will just fall out basically. So I'm going to put this aside for now. Next thing is, there's a bit of foam in the case. We're going to reuse this foam. So just take it out. It's not like glued in or anything. So yeah, should be fine. It's like a nice hole here for some reason. We'll try and reuse that, and then that's how the case looks like. So just normal plastic kind of thing. Alright, so let's start. Oh yeah, this is the wrist rest. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing. Here we have the brass plate. Comes in this kind of cool thing here. So we'll leave that there for now. Now inside this box that they sent, we have a weird screwdriver for some reason. I don't know why. But they also gave you these keycaps, or these switches, I mean. So yeah, the Gateron Jades. So just put those here. Now here's the keycaps. So it comes in a nice, weird looking kind of box, but pretty cool. So let's pop this open. Alright, let's see how they look like. Alright, nice. So they come in this thing. Pretty good. So yeah, there's multiple layers, which is pretty good. Jesus, there's like 3 layers, hang on. So you have a good selection of your, enter keys. Yeah, that's pretty cool, enter key. So these are the cherry profile as well. So they're like, a little bit thinner than the normal ones. So yeah, take a look at that. Looks pretty cool. Pretty detailed, which is nice. And then you have like a bunch of, they're like, nicely colored. Looks pretty cool. What the heck happened to this guy? Scroll block. Yeah, so overall, pretty cool keycaps. So here's the next layer. These are all your kind of, you know, accent kind of keys. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. Then your regular keys here. So yeah, hopefully it actually fits the spacebar. Alright, here we go. It's nice and weighty. Let's see what's inside. Alright, there we go. Oh, some nice foam in the box. Can reuse this. Alright, let's see what we have. We have some stuff here. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, a bunch of screws. I'll probably try and reuse the white screws since they look kind of cool. We have another one. Jeez, how many do we need? And then we have whatever the heck this thing is. Some kind of soft sticker. And lastly, we have some, what looks like some motherboard standoffs for some reason. Alright, don't know why we need motherboard standoffs, but it is what it is. Okay. Oh, nice. We have some weird looking foam. I guess we'll use that. Why not? Oh, shit. What did I click on? Or seems to be still recording, so that's fine. I'll just put it over here. And we have the case itself. Nice and weighty. Oh yeah. Very cool. Yeah. It's a nice deep color. I like it. Very cool indeed. Alright, suppose time to open up the plate. Alright, make it even more heavier. So here we have some more accessories. Looks like we have some more motherboard standoffs or something. Alright, we'll deal with that later. Another good piece of foam. Then the plate itself. Not too bad. So yeah, would have been cooler if this was on the outside, but it is what it is. Alright, so I guess it doesn't really, oh yeah, it does matter. Because yeah, you see the screws here, they're like, I don't know what it's called, it's like divoted in. So this would be the proper direction to put them in. Like so. And yeah, there's nothing else here. So I guess we'll attempt to extract whatever is inside here. So yeah, there is 3 screws here for some reason. Just put this back. Alright, so yeah, there's 2 that are divoted, so we'll use those for this thing here. Alright, so this thing doesn't fit. Alright, this thing fits. So for some reason this was in the switches bag or whatever. I guess it works. So yeah. Alright, so that is very heavy, Jesus. This ain't fucking moving nowhere. Alright, what's next? I suppose we can put this foam in. Let's see, how does it go? Oh no. Yeah, like that. Yeah, it's very soft foam. It feels nice. Yes, we gotta do the tape mod. So I got some tape here. So the tape mod, what you want to do, according to the boys, You wanna fucking slap it on like this. Wait, how their screws gonna go in? Nah, fuck it, we'll figure that out. Or slap this bad boy on here. And then cut him. Now just keep on adding the others. This apparently gives the keyboard a little bit more pop. So, next step is, I suppose, is to find all the kind of screw holes, kind of puncture them so that we can actually put the screws in. We can squish this bad boy in. So yeah, this guy put in standoffs here. Interesting. Let's do that as well. Why not? This thing is handy. I got this off AliExpress for like €6. It has everything you fucking need. So yeah, do you know what? Let's try it. I'm just gonna remove this foam from this bigger foam and hopefully don't tear it. Okay, nice. So yeah, we'll try this one here. I will put it like this, and we will need to make a hole for this thing. Then put this foam directly on top. We need to put one of these fat O-rings over each of these kind of holes. Yes, because these are a bit fat, so we can try getting the thinner ones and see how that goes. Yeah, let's give that a go. So yeah, that should be really good. Now what we need to do is we need to check if the keyboard actually works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next thing is I want to test out these keycaps. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap over these two just for now. So you can see here, these have like a foam bit for some reason, but it is what it is. So I should be able to just drop them in. Oh Jesus. Yeah. Okay, drop them in like that. Excellent. Drop them in like that. Okay. Then let's get the WASD keycaps on there. Let me edit my microphone settings. Filters. Okay. So I'm gonna remove the noise compression, the noise suppression, and I'm going to remove the compressor as well. So now you should be hearing the kind of raw audio. It might sound shit, but hear this sound. So this is the lacquer switches. And then this is the new switches. So they sound very poppy, very thocky. Now these are the lacquer switches here. And then the Gaterons, the Jades. So yeah, very cool. They're also a little bit softer. So the lacquer ones, they feel harder to press, which is nice. All right. So next thing is if we just get out of this thing. Actually, yeah, let's go into Chrome, Medium, then, or where did I save this thing? Probably Chrome actually. All right. Yeah. All right, so let's plug this back in. Let's go to utility, geez, you can't see anything. Alright, so here we have the devices. So let's go into racing profile. So these are the lacquer ones. If we go into gamepad response, click here to reload. Alright, there we go. So this is the lacquer switch, and then this is the Jade. And yeah, they both feel, well, they both like react, you see, pretty much exactly the same. That's pretty good. Yeah, don't really see a difference like in the responsiveness side, which is pretty good. Actually, these feel a little bit smoother, the new ones. Okay, well, that's excellent. So that just made up my mind what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do is literally just swap every single switch out. All right, Jesus, we're back. That took forever, but anyway. So yeah, I tested the keyboard. All of the switches, they work nicely, which they kind of should since they're just magnetic. And yeah, look at that. Like it's all pure kind of white, so that looks even better now. But anyway, now that we have all this done, it's time to add in all the keycaps. So let me stick this bad boy on. Very nice. Jesus, very heavy keyboard. That's good. Oh yeah. Not bad. Alright. Oh shit, these actually are transparent. What the fuck? I didn't realize. That's cool. Oh, no way. They're actually a little bit transparent, yeah. That's sick. I thought these were like fully opaque. Oh, look at that. You could like see the lights shining through the keys. That is pretty cool, actually. Holy shit. That's awesome. That's fucking sick. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty fucking cool. Alright, well, we got this mixed up a little bit. This meant to be the hashtag and this meant to be the pipe, but whatever. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching this epic build. And I'll see you guys in the next video, I suppose. Bye-bye.